Hello, today I'd like to show you our DAQ, which can be used with many different software packages like MATLAB or LabVIEW or DASILab for NVH measurements. So for these programs it's need to enable and disable the IEPE sensor supply or the AC-DC coupling using the standard Windows sound mixer. So today I'd like to show you how to do this. So as first I go here to the system, then go to the sound portion or to the section, and then I go here and use this button for more settings. So now I get this window and go here to the recording part. So here, if I double click to it and go to level, so then I can change here from mute on to mute off. This is now AC coupling. This is now DC coupling. So if I want to enable the IEPE sensor supply, so then I can go here to custom and use this control checkbox for loudness. This is here channel number 2. And channel number 1. So if the sensor is connected to the DAQ, then the LED went from red to green. So means if there is something wrong with the IEPE sensor, for example cable is broken, so then this will be red. So now I will disable, it's a channel number 1, the IEPE supply, and here we have set the channels to DC coupling. So means on channel number 1 I can measure now a DC signal or very low frequency, and at channel number 2 I have here the IEPE accelerometer. So I have here a simple recording software, the DAQ. And now if I move here the accelerometer, so then we can see here a signal is coming. So in the channel number 1 I connected a DC source. So this is now set to about 1 volt, and now I just switch it off and on. So and now I can change the voltage from minus 5 volt, so now to 4 volt, about 5 volt, and so on. So here you can see how I can measure with the DAQ simultaneously DC voltage or something like temperature or pressure, and simultaneously using the accelerometer IEPE sensor signal. So that's all for today. Thank you very much and have a pleasant time.